Sorry, the payment methods are you use Western Union. I don't use that. What's the other one? The reason I ask is there is my coaching business too, and I've done a lot of videos for that, but they don't, I struggle with the same issues. So I would like to look at having some of those promoted.
Okay, this is Paravi and Mr. Kurim and me. We are teammate and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. So if you interested, then we'll go ahead. No problem.
Yeah, no, I'm interested in understanding, learning more how to promote and get my content out there.
Okay, okay,
Absolutely.
okay. Okay, basically we'll optimize each of the things and then you will provide us your targeted locations, targeted gender and targeted age. Then we will promote according to your demand, and we also optimize your growth related issues, and we provide package based service. Like we have two packages for that work. One is a starter and another is a standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is a standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video, and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your
Mhm.
choice which package you want to start with.
Okay.
Okay. And our working system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory. But if you don't know how to pay through this payment gateway, you will get lot of tutorials on YouTube. And our team member, Mr. MD, will also help you. And to start the work,
Yeah,
we have
sorry, the payment methods are you use Western Union. I don't use that. What's the other one?
Remitly.
Remitly. I don't use
Yeah.
that either. I only have PayPal for these types.
And Payoneer.
Yeah, pardon me?
Payoneer.
I've never heard of that.
Okay, you will get lot of tutorials, and our team member will also help you. No problem.
Okay.
And our work starting system is when you hire us, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. So that is all about our work process, price, and each of the things. So it's your choice how you can start with.
Okay. And so talk to me a little. So it's 120 US for 10 videos, is that correct? And then 300
Yeah,
for
yeah,
30.
yeah.
Okay. Um, it takes 7 days to turn around.
Yeah.
And then how will I know about the traction it receives in terms of, will I just see my numbers go up? What metrics do you use? How do you measure this? How do you know it's working?
Okay, we will provide you all of the working proof, like before your video condition, before we work your video condition, after we work your video condition, how we grow, and what implement you have gained. All of the things we will send to you.
Okay. What other services do you provide?
We provide, beside this, we provide video editing, thumbnail design, Facebook ads, Google ads, and social media management and marketing, and all type of digital marketing related service we provide.
The reason I ask is there is my coaching business too, and I've done a lot of videos for that, but I struggle with the same issues. So I would like to look at having some of those promoted to a wider audience because I can coach anybody anywhere. You're in Bangladesh and I'm in Vancouver Island. So that business is separate from my real estate because obviously I can't sell your home from here, right? So two different focuses, but the same idea. So that's something I would like to have looked at as well. So that would be really interesting. So if there was some sort of promotional video I have for coaching, I would like to know how you can promote that so that it gets more clicks and views, let's say in the US.
Yeah,
Now, some,
definitely we can reach this video to thousands of people, millions of people, according by the Meta ads or Google ads. We know the strategy. Just you will give us the budget, how much budget you have for that ads, and you just give us your targeted location, gender, and age. Then we will run an Meta ads or Google ads
Yeah.
according to your demand. Then you will get lot of traffic.
What's the pricing like on that?
If you run ads, then budget depends on you. If you want to run in Google ads, like if you want to run a Google ads for video views, you can give budget $50 or $30 per day, and you can run for 7 days or 30 days. And our ad creation charge is only 50 USD.
Okay. So, and how much do you recommend spending on the ad? So it's 50 for you to set it up, but it's how much to run the campaign for a week? What do you recommend?
If you at first you can start with the 20 USD for 7 days, and you judge. And if you get good result, then you can go for the long term, no problem.
Got it. Do you tell me or advise me what I should be doing in terms of content, which will be most effective for a paid promoted ad, for example? Should it be 90 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute?
Yeah,
Like,
you should keep it within a minute.
a minute?
Yeah, and you should also put all of the informations like your contact info and all of the things put input into the videos also, so that people who watch your videos, they can easily contact with you.
Right. Okay. Okay,
So
cool.
yeah, so you think about it and let us know. Our main thing is our client satisfactions, because this is our profession. We believe in long term relationship. Because if I provide you the better service, then you will hire us for the next day. So
That's right.
we try our best to provide the better service and try to be 100% loyal and honest to our clients. So you think about it. I think we can start with the starter package like 120 USD for 7 days, and you judge our work. Then if you satisfied, then you can go for the long term. And if you want to run in Google ads, you can start with one ads, then you give the budget per day $20 and run ad for the 7 days. And our ad creation charge is only 50 USD. So after finishing the meeting, our team member Mr. MD Kurim would be your contact person. He would be on task with you, and further communication will go through your Gmail.
Can you spell your name? Sorry.
My name is Farabi.
Can you spell that, please, Farabi?
Farabi.
Farabi. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Apologies. I just wanted to, and then MD. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
So thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for
Yeah.
a long time. And bye
Thank
for
you. I assume MD would be the project person, the point of contact. If you can have him send me something about the payment process, Farabi, then I can get that underway, because that would include 10 videos. I can then select those videos and work with MD to move forward and get those optimized, and we get them up and running and see how that works.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
We just have to figure out that payment method, because I don't have the ones you mentioned, unfortunately.
Okay, you will get lot of tutorials, and our team member MD will guide you, no problem.
Perfect.
But
Wonderful.
okay. Okay, bye bye.
Thanks, Farabi.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
some sleep.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.